Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel, and I also want to welcome all of my new subscribers. Today is my weekly sewing recap. I didn't do a recap last week, but I did post a DIY tassel video, so I'll link that in the description box below. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check that out after you watch this video. So I did make a couple of backpacks last week, but I've already sent them to the customers, so I don't have any pictures of them. Hopefully my customers will send me a picture and maybe I can talk about them next week. But if not, they were awesome. I made one out of New York Knits fabric and the other I made out of Tennessee Volunteers fabric. So they were both that orange color, so they turned out really awesome. I did make a couple of my patterns, so let me show you those. The first one I made was the Angie Clutch, and it was kind of a fail. Well, it was kind of a fail because of the front zipper. You see how it's all wonky looking. This is a really soft faux leather that I got from Fabric World here in Atlanta, and it just did not do well putting in the front zipper. But I mean, it's in there, but you know, it looks a little wonky here on the front. So I'll probably redo this one just to see if I can fix that area. But I did do something new. I did zipper tabs for the first time, and those turned out really well. So I'll more than likely be doing zipper tabs on my purses now that have zippers, because it's just a nice little decorative element. I did gray zippers, and I did the white and gray houndstooth cotton cloth. Those are the back quarters that I get from Walmart, but this is the Angie Clutch that didn't quite make the cut. Right. And the next one that I did is I did an Nanny Pack, and I did it with the white faux leather and the gray at the bottom. And this turned out very well. I also used that gray and white houndstooth for the lining for this one as well. And I used a zipper that had gold teeth, and I used gold hardware. So that was really nice. Only thing that's missing, I gotta make the strap for it. I haven't decided whether I was gonna do the strap out of this faux leather or if I'm just gonna do a white webbing strap. So I haven't decided yet, but I did the Nanny Pack. I also did the Aran pouch. Let me show you a picture. It's the same picture that is in the thumbnail for the tassel video. So I did an Aran pouch as well. And I also did my backpack slash crossbody bag, the Meri Backpack. So I didn't do the straps for the crossbody this time. I made one strap for the top instead of two, and then I just added the tabs for the backpack strap, and I have to make the straps. But it turned out very well. I was trying to see how it would look if I made it in a faux leather without the foam, because I made it with the foam, it would have been really thick. So I wanted to see how it held up without the foam, and it held up pretty good. I mean, I don't have anything in it, that's why it doesn't look filled out, but it did pretty good. If you're making it in a faux leather or leather, you can definitely go without the foam interfacing. Alright. And I stuck with the gray and white theme. I don't know why I had that in my head, but I just wanted to do a kind of a gray and white theme. I may photograph these with some outfits in a couple of weeks. Alright, so that's everything that I made. So let me tell you about my plans for the upcoming week. So this is kind of a combination video. So the first thing I plan to make, which is today, I plan to make it because I'm going to the Beyonce and Jay-Z concert tomorrow, so I need a shirt. So I want to make this McCall 7127, but I want to make view B without the sleeves, right? And I'm going to make it in a black ponte knit. So I have some black and white pants that I made, and I want to make this black top to go with those pants. Hopefully I can get it done. It doesn't look like it takes that long, so I should probably be able to get it done today within probably maybe 2 hours. But I'll photograph this with the pants, and so you can see my whole outfit for the On the Run tour too. And then Dragon Con is coming up next weekend, and I got a t-shirt made. It says Nerdy Seamstress. I'm so excited to wear it. I can't wait to show you guys. But when I take my pictures next week, so probably not the next week recap, but the week after that, I'll show you my Dragon Con outfits. One will be that t-shirt that says Nerdy Seamstress. I cannot wait for you to see it. And also I'm going to do Simplicity 8557. I'm going to do the tunic with the crop pants version, and I'm going to make it out of this Batman fabric. This is a jersey knit, and I went back and forth on what to make because I didn't want to look like I was wearing pajamas, but I guess it really doesn't matter. I'll be at Dragon Con. But I didn't really want to wear a dress, so I had to really decide on what I wanted to wear. So this came to mind, the Simplicity 8557. And then last but not least, I want to do McCall 7135 again. I want to do the wrap dress, but I actually shortened the skirt. And I'm going to make it out of this knit fabric that I got from Fine Fabrics. It's a really pretty fabric. Okay. The wrap dress I'm not really in a hurry to make because I'm supposed to be doing it in a collaboration with some other ladies, so I'm not real sure of the dates of the collaboration. So I may go ahead and make it and photograph it. I may not. I may wait. But whenever I do make it and photograph it, I will definitely show you guys so you can see the finished product. Right, so that's everything I made last week, and that's everything that I'm making in the upcoming week. And I'll try to do, I know I said last year I was going to try to do a Dragon Con video. I don't know if I even did one. I can't even remember. But anyway, this year I definitely want to do a Dragon Con video. I did do a blog post on the 10 things I learned at Dragon Con. Since I was a newbie, I wanted to do a blog post for other people who may be newbies. So I'll link that in the description box as well. All the information for all the patterns and the fabric. I'm not sure if I'll be able to link to the Batman fabric. I'm not sure, but if I can, all of that information with my patterns will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Click the thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next week's recap.